Okay, this is in a Chevy 2500 truck. To arm the system, you're going to hit lock. To disarm it, you're going to hit unlock. Panic button, you hold the button down. To fire the alarm off, if somebody bangs on the window, the alarm will go off. Okay, if somebody opens any of the doors, the alarm will trip. Okay. Disarm the alarm by hitting unlock. It's got an antenna on the top. This gives you the range on the remote control that you can arm and disarm. It's got the blue LED light that's going to flash at night. It's got the valet button on the top. This one has the Linkr unit that when it fires off, it sends the owner of the vehicle a text message and explaining why it went off, if it's because of a door opening or a shock sensor event. And it also comes with a GPS unit, so he's able to track it. And when he gets the reports that the alarm went off, it also gives him the map where the alarm was triggered. This was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.